Personality and wit.
Yeah.
And confidence is wit.
Wit.
Dry.
Yes.
Kala ko nakahubad ka, natakot ka. Pagtingin ko talaga ba? Nude. Ito yung nude.
Yan.
Ba't ko naman gagawin niya, Hindi pa ako abot sa ganung
Oo, kasi may pinahaparap akong nude, hindi nila makita. Ikaw pa naman. And what is wit?
Wit. Alam ni Shuvi yan, tinuro niya sa akin kanina yan
wit. Can you expound? What is wit?
Wit comes from the root word we.
We.
Yes.
Yes.
We are happy family.
So why did you add the T? Why did it become wit?
Because we like the tea. Together. We are together.
Ah, yeah.
Ano yun?
We are together. So when you add the T, we are together. I love it. Okay. You will have another day tomorrow.
Extended.
We extend you tomorrow, ha? You come back tomorrow, ha? Because you said we are together.
Yeah.
We will remove the T. If you're not here, we will remove the T. No more together, only
No.
we.
We need to be together.
Yes, we need to be together. Okay. How about character? What is character?
Character, for me, is the best thing ever. Character.
Character is the best.
It's the best thing ever. Parang tayo, characters tayo ng showtime.
Yes. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Diba?
I understand.
Oh, ito, ayan.
Yeah, together.
Oh.
Together, white chicks are here. Together. White chicks.
Make it away.
Disguise lang to. So,
Character.
so what happened? I told there's only one blonde allowed inside the room.
Alam mo na, Android tayo dito.
Android. Iba-ibang ano tayo dito.